My name is Eni Grobler. I'm the head of Department of Mining Engineering and Mine Surveying at the University of Johannesburg. We are launching the Sibanye-Stillwater Simulacrum today. It's been a project that we started in 2020. Of course, we all know about the pandemic. During the pandemic, the infrastructure was built, but we've been sponsored by Sibanye-Stillwater for the entire process. Sibanye has been a very close partner of us for the past 15 years. They sponsored in a rough region of about 65 million rand towards undergraduate education at the University of Johannesburg. So all of that education goes into mining engineers, mine surveyors, to make sure that what the guys do are still practiced and relevant to the mining industry when they go out into the field. So one of the problems is access to a mine. We can't always get all our students onto the mine, but now we've built the mine through Sibanye sponsorship. We've got a mine on campus. It's a 60-meter vertical shaft with tunnels and a stoping complex below it. But part of that is the virtual reality section. So a lot of this is just the foundation for the virtual reality that fits on top of it. We've got point cloud visualization, we've got a blast wall that's electronic, we've got Spot the Dog that runs around and scans places, and all of that through the Sibanye-Stillwater sponsorship. So Sibanye has been a very close partner to us. We've got other partners in the industry as well, but our niche in industry is that we are producing people that's production ready, that can actually go to a mine and with very minimal training start working and make a difference in the country. Sibanye-Stillwater, like UJ, is committed to ESG issues. So our social development and making sure that what we are doing actually benefits society as a whole is what makes this the best thing that we can do. We are partnering with WITS, we're partnering with UP, but we're all in a collaboration where the one feeds into the other the whole time.
I think it really is a pleasure to represent Sibanye-Stillwater and to be part of what is, I believe, a groundbreaking achievement for both the University of Johannesburg as well as us as a company and my colleagues with me today. Technological advancements over the last few decades have truly made mining safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. How we mine going forward will also add benefit to attracting young talent and people in what is an industry that is centuries old and truly has formed the backbone of our economy and our country. South Africa, however, remains very rich in mineral resources, but many of these resources will not be extracted unless we get access to technological advances and new mining methods that will make it both safe and efficient. In order to do this, we are going to rely very heavily on skilled technicians, on engineers, on mining professionals, and ultimately on you, our universities, to help develop these skills.
Hello, my name is Alex Fenn. I am the Vice President of Innovation and Technology for Sibanye-Stillwater and part of the team that manages the relationship between Sibanye-Stillwater and the University of Johannesburg. It's an incredible pleasure to be here today at the launch of the Simulacrum and the Centre for Sustainable Mining. I think what you see is obviously fantastic, but it is the culmination of a 10-year relationship that we've had with UJ through the sponsorship agreement that we established as far back as I think 2014. The Simulacrum is a state-of-the-art facility which the university uses to provide practical experience to students, which we think is invaluable. Mining is an incredible business, and I think a lot of people don't appreciate what it actually goes on the ground. So being able to expose students in their formative years to the actual working environment, I think is incredibly important, and having that available at your doorstep is obviously great as well. We're also incredibly proud of the establishment of the Centre for Sustainable Mining. We are of the view that mining has been a massive contributor to GDP in the country and still has the opportunity to be into the future. And that those mines and the delivery of that benefit is going to come from the mines that this university creates today. So being able to facilitate that research through the centre, as well as expose new students and postgraduate students to actual mining environments which can be used to test new technologies and develop new solutions, is of paramount importance to the local research and development ecosystem in South Africa.
Today we just launched the Sibanye-Stillwater facility at UJ. Is a simulacrum. As you can see behind me is a mining facility. Basically, this is to train the future generation of miners, where we combine mining with technology, which as far as I'm concerned is the future. We also talked about sustainability, sustainable mining, and it may sound weird, that how can you combine mining with sustainability, but the truth of the matter is that mining, as a sector is extremely important to ensure, sustainability. So this is an exciting opportunity, and I'm grateful to Sibanye-Stillwater for working with our colleagues here at the Faculty of Engineering, the Built Environment, of course, the School of Mining.